Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Wednesday, October the 15th, and we have had more earnings come in this morning from the likes of Morgan Stanley and other financial services companies, and the numbers have been fantastic. Morgan Stanley actually made more trading revenue this quarter than Goldman did, and typically Goldman has been a leader in the trading revenue front. I'll show you a graph about that in a second, but that has caused Morgan Stanley to jump in the pre-market. I mentioned it was a great buy on the pullback on Monday, and if you bought in, you're going to be very happy today with the jump in price. You can see in the graph below in black is Morgan Stanley, and for most of the quarters back to 2023, Morgan Stanley was a laggard, but in this quarter, to the right, the last set of bars, it is well above the blue bar, which is Goldman Sachs. So shares are up about 4% this morning. Overall markets, if we take a look at the futures, are up. You can see it looks like we're off to a pretty good start. Bank of America up as well after some good earnings. And then we have just had some fabulous announcements here in financial services indicating that things are pretty good. One of the other interesting things to come out of financial services this morning was the loan loss provisions. Here it is towards the bottom. Morgan Stanley posts notable figure for loan loss provisions of $0. So obviously, if there were concerns in their mind about U.S. credit, they would, and the provision for credit losses, they would be amping these up, but there appears to be very little. So this could be a big concern, or it could be a positive. Either way, that's just a data point to make a decision based on. Looks like a good day in the markets today. We should see an uptick across the board in tech as well as your financials, and we've got big tech starting to report in just a couple of weeks. Good luck in your trades today. If you like the videos, hit the like and subscribe.